Welcome back. Today we're going to talk about Flexbox, and here are some properties of Flexbox. The first one is justify content, align items, flex scroll, flex shrink, flex spaces, flex wrap, align content, flex direction, flex flow. Alright, so in our project here, we're going to use this ID flex right here in our CSS and change it to display flex, which is going to basically create a block element. But first, let's look at what we have before we type that code in. This is what we have right now, our current HTML and CSS. Okay, so now we're just going to type in display flex. And press save. And now when we look at our browser, we have this layout. So basically what we did is, instead of having elements display as a block element, we positioned them as a flex element.